Mga beshi, ready na ba kayo sa latest showbiz spill? Dito sa ating Chika Corner, walang ligtas. At yan, pag-uusapan natin. So sit back, relax, at huwag kalimutan ng popcorn. Dahil eto na ang ultimate showbiz kwento.
Mga beshi, hold your wigs. Kasi si Catherine Bernardo, hindi lang basta actress ngayon, immortal na siya, in wax. At hindi lang yan, may bonggang teleserye comeback pa with James Reid. Ay, girl, ang daming ganap. Let's spill the tea. Imagine mo, sa Glorieta Palm Drive Activity Center, nag-unveil ng life-sized wax figure ni Queen Kath. Nakasuot siya ng eleganteng white gown, same look from the 2023 Seoul International Drama Awards. Ang arte, ang ganda, parang tunay. At syempre, hindi lang dito sa Pinas, lipad agad ang Kath Twin papuntang Madame Tussauds Hong Kong. Starting July 17, makikita mo na siya doon, standing tall with international icons. Girl, level up na talaga si Catherine, pang-global na ang peg. Pero wait, hindi lang wax figure ang pasabog. Catherine is back sa teleserye world. Someone Someday ang title, produced by Dreamscape Entertainment. Kasama niya si James Reid, yes, besh, James Reid. At may Maha Salvador pa. Premiere dates, July 24 sa Netflix, July 25 sa iWant, at July 27 sa ABS-CBN. Ang daming options, walang excuse na hindi mo mapanood. At girl, nakita mo na ba yung teaser? Ang chemistry nila ni James, nakakakilig. Catherine even said na she's excited to work with him. Ako naman, excited na rin sa mga bagong pa-love team feels. This is her big primetime comeback, and trust me, it's giving major teleserye energy. Kung career lang ang pag-uusapan, besh, unstoppable si Catherine. Wax figure sa Hong Kong, Netflix series with James Reid, plus recognition left and right. She's not just acting, she's building a legacy. Ang star power niya, hindi lang pang Pinas, pang Asia na. Parang sinasabi niya sa lahat, hello, world, I'm Catherine Bernardo, and I'm here to slay. Syempre, hindi mawawala ang chismis. Catherine has been linked to Lucena Mayor Mark Alcala, pero sabi niya, she's happily single. Focus muna sa career, besh. At alam mo, love ko yan, independent woman vibes, walang pakialam sa pressure. Go, Kath. So ayan, mga beshi, wax figure, teleserye comeback, at single life realness. Catherine Bernardo is serving everything. Question is, ready ka na ba sa Someone Someday? Comment below kung Team Kath ka, Team James, o Team Kilig lang. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe para updated ka sa lahat ng showbiz chika. This is your fabulous reporter, signing off, Charot. See you sa next spill. Ayan mga besh, kumpleto na ang chika for today. From career highlights to personal buzz, talagang walang dull moment sa mundo ng showbiz. Kung gusto mo pa ng more tea, more kilig, at more bonggang updates, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe para lagi kang una sa balita. This has been your fabulous reporter, spilling the tea with extra fun and extra fierceness. Till next time mga beshi, bye, Charot.